Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. We are channeling kind of a Tony Montana sort of vibe today with the big collared shirt, the open sleeves, and this is not a necklace, no. This is a Smorga bag chain that I have, but I love it so much. It's her little blinged out one from Millie. I've put it on hair ties at the back because it's too short on the clasps. How good does that look? It's so Tony Montana. I need a cigar. Yes, today I'm here with an HERMES big high quota bag unboxing, but we are going to explain how we got our hands on this gem and why I went so outside of my comfort zone. But first, I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Ideal. Ideal is a demi-luxury jewelry line with beautiful, beautiful diamonds. These are lab-made diamonds. They have gold. It is so gorgeous, so dainty, but the thing with this company is that it's all interchangeable. Talk about versatility. So when you have a necklace that you would like to maybe make into earrings and vice versa and add and take off, this is what Ideal does perfectly. So they sent me out their little starter kit and we're gonna unbox it together because they were like, Jerusha, we know you love luxury packaging, so wait till you see our packaging. I was like, yes, girl. Yes. So on the bottom of the box straight away it says lab grown diamonds, 14 karat solid gold. We use 100% conflict free 14 karat gold. Look, this company is a really conscious company, and I think the way the world is going right now, look, okay, if we're drinking our shakes and our Starbucks out of a paper straw to save the turtles, let's do it all the way around, okay? Let's do it all the way around. And as you can see, a lot of the big houses, they're changing everything, to sustainable. Gorge. Oh, cute. I love me a zipper pouch. Getting the boxes out here. They all look like linen. Pretty, so you have Ideal there. So gorgeous. Can you see this? Look at that chain. Oh my god. I am going to get nice and close on all of these so that you can actually see all the detail. But the way these interchange is just something else, guys, honestly. And then each item, oh, cute. Love that. Dang it. My top piercing, I had a subbie ask. We failed, okay? That's 3 times and we're out. My cartilage doesn't like it, so I didn't have it. But if I did, oh my gosh, to be able to link those two together. Oh my gosh, so I was looking for this one thinking that it was actually 2 with the chain connected. See, wrong. That's the point of interchangeable. So these are solo ones, the 2 studs with the diamonds, and this is the chain, and they can come off. So you can have 2 individual, I'll show you, and then you can link it together for like a cuff look. Amazing. All right, and lastly, look at this blush color. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, this is their famous one. Okay, this is their really famous one. So may I introduce to you Lucia. See, they've all got names. How cute is that? So Lucia sits behind, love it. So you can get one of the solos that I mentioned, so you can get the bigger one or the smaller one, and you can put it as a stud with it behind. There's so many different options. I love how interchangeable it is. Okay, so we just had to put these on. Duh. Dang, because they work with the whole vibe right now. But I just went back and looked at the instructions, and when I was putting these on, I'll show you, that's another movement it does. So the actual ring on these Ada single studs comes off, then there is a stud in the middle. It's completely like, it's like Lego. So thank you so much to Ideal for sponsoring this video. They were so generous to give me a personal coupon code for 10% off at checkout. I will leave it linked below. I will also leave their website link below, their Instagram, all of it. I think to have conscious jewelry as well as conscious packaging, so on and so forth, we're doing the right thing for our kids, okay? We're doing the right thing for the future. Now on to the grand finale. Trust me, this is fun. This purchase was not an offer from the boutique, no. But do I stand by offers from the boutique only? Absolutely not. If your boutique, wherever you are in the world, makes you do a quota, so for example, if you don't know with Hermes, in boutique, you know, maybe you have to buy a certain amount before you get offered something. That is not the way it worked with me. Yes, I bought my garden party, however, my SA then offered me my Hermes Orange Kelly behind me almost straight away. So I really feel like it's just the luck of the draw, if that makes sense. Sometimes if you're working with an SA, yeah, sure, it can become quota. That might just be the way that they work, and that's cool. However, I do strongly suggest stay within a budget with either pre-loved, which this is, or resale, which is brand new, and then, you know, someone hasn't used it, then resellers find it, or they get offered it and they resell it in brand new condition. I would say stay inside a budget. So with this, when this came up, I knew that if I was going to pick up another Hermes bag, whether it be pre-loved or off the resale market or offered from the boutique, I knew that I was staying inside a budget. Okay, this baby came up and I'm so excited where it came up. This bag came up on Designer Archives, which I'm so proud to say is an Australian boutique. If you are one of my OG subbies, I visited this boutique up in the Gold Coast with Mum. We visited this boutique in one of my old school videos, and it was so stunning. Shannon, hi Shannon, the owner, is still running fiercely and strong, which is so great, especially in this climate. And when I saw this, I was like, girl, it was actually so funny. I texted her and I was like, hi Shannon, hi, my name's Jerusha. I don't know if you remember me, but I came to your boutique. And she was just like, what? Of course I remember you. I was like, oh, okay, good. I just didn't really know. She's like, there's only one Jerusha girl. Anyway, so I have it in my hot little hands. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. It came with everything. So here we go, ribbon and the box. If that matters to you, definitely take your time. As I said, work within a budget and make sure, I suppose, you get everything in the sale. Look at my grin, right? Ah, down on the pillow. Here we go. So gorgeous. So it came in the dust bag. Are you ready? You can't guess. You could never guess. You could never ever guess. Ready for this. I hope my lights do it justice. Oh. Oh my god, Mum was like, what? I know. Okay, I know. Wow. For a luxury handbag enthusiast such as myself to be in the zone of neutrals, blacks, you know, and when I stepped out up here, some color with the satin, and when I did my pinks, sure. But this is a whole nother ballpark. This is my new Kelly 28 in retourne seam. So it's inward stitched, which is my favorite. My Kelly up there is Cellier, which is the outside, makes it a lot more sort of corporate boxier. This is in the Evercolor leather, so it's a lot softer. It's got a smaller grain to Togo. Togo is a lot more of kind of a creamy leather, but it's got a larger grain, and it is in the color Blue Zanzibar. If there was ever a blue I was going to look at from Hermes in the way of color saturation, the deep, incredible hue it brings out in the leather. So the way the leather responds, so Togo may respond differently to Epsom, but everything in this Blue Zanzibar is exquisite. So it is with palladium silver hardware. Yes, I do prefer gold. However, when something like this comes along, you're not gonna think twice. It's not a deal breaker that it's not gold. So this is it. all inclusive, as I said, the little dust bag on the lock key clochette there on the side. Let's get that off. So gorgeous. Look at that hardware. I think the actual rundown of the listing on her website, which she has the website you can purchase online, she had something like excellent condition, good to excellent condition, and scratches on the hardware. I'm like, honey, if that scratches on the hardware, oh my God. I saw one of my friends, so she was introducing me. She was like, oh my gosh, this is my friend Sammy. Her bag, literally, it was a Fendi, but she was like, oh my gosh, I really haven't taken care of it. I'm like, honey, what have you been doing with that girl? She's like, I know. I'm like, wow, the hardware was literally like one of her kids had just run a key over it. So when this came, I'm like, this is not scratched. Like, that is stunning. It is so beautiful because I just love retourne. I love seeing the piping. I think it is really beautiful. You get the 4 feet on the bottom. You have the 2 for the belt closure, the 2 triangular straps there. You get your top handle, single top handle, because this Hermes bag comes with a strap. So on the side here we have the actual stationery, so they don't move, palladium hardware D-ring, which you can see there, because there's a strap inside. Some people really prefer a Kelly because it comes with a strap, that it's not just your Birkin, only option is in the crook of your arm or handheld. But a lot of people prefer this style bag, especially from Hermes, because of the price tag. It is more versatile. The classic Kelly lock there, it flips up and straight in, but there is a stuffing down inside, so beautiful. And on the bottom there you can see the strap, matching blue Zanzibar Evercolor strap with the palladium hardware and the iconic Kelly toggle clasp. They've got Hermes engraved on the side of them, and you just attach at the top like so. So there you go. It is a short drop on this strap. It's definitely great for shoulder. I have seen girls crossbody it, and guys, and it looks amazing as well. Totally optional and up to you. The stamping there, so it says Hermes Paris, made in France, and like a Birkin, which if you watched my most used handbags, it is truthfully one of my most used. The organization, even though I use a smaller bag organizer to protect the bag and keep it shaped, the organization in these bags are amazing. So you have 2 slip pockets in the front, and you always have a zip compartment slip pocket at the back. Can you believe this color? Get out of town. Okay, so there we are. Are you shook? Are you shook? I know. I knew it was gonna throw you guys. Oh, also on the strap you have Hermes Paris, made in France stamped on the inside, just near the clasp. But there it is. This is truthfully so amazing. This is one of my favorite, if not my most favorite blue of any design house. I have always admired Zanzibar, always, and I thought, you know, I'll get it in a small, you know, leather good from my essay, and I'll do something like that. And then when I saw this, I just was like, I've got to make this work. I've got to make this work. It's too special. That is it. I do hope you liked my unboxing, guys. Thank you again to Ideal for sponsoring this video. I will leave all the links below, as well as my offered personal discount code from them. I truly appreciate it for my subbies. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That would be so great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well. Take care. Peace.